everybody. Look who's at my house.
Hey everyone, it's Angie.
Angie's here. So you already saw my video about what we're going to do with this painting. And now we're going to get started on it. So
Woo-hoo.
Angie's going to look at it for the first time.
I have not seen it yet. I haven't even gotten a chance to see the video because Mindy uploaded it while I was on my way down here to her house. So this will be my first time seeing it. This is the heaviest diamond painting I've ever lifted.
Isn't it?
And this box is...
They made a huge box for it.
They had to make a huge
box.
box.
They did. They made a whole new box.
I'm so excited. I can't believe that after you unboxed this, you went ahead and repacked it so beautifully. Even knowing that we were going to open it up and stuff. So, yeah.
It's just what I do.
You did that.
I know, it's just what I do. What was I going to do with it?
That's true. That's true. I would have left it all sprawled out everywhere.
But see, now you get to see it like it,
so now,
like it was.
Exactly, that's true.
I
love that.
You see it just like it was originally.
So I don't need to open the toolkit because we all know.
See, it doesn't even fit in that bag.
No, it does not.
They did not make a new bag.
No, they did not. It is very...
And they did not make a new ribbon.
No, there's barely enough room to tie that ribbon, is there?
But they did have to make a box.
Okay, I'm so excited to see this, you guys.
I know, right?
Whew, are we ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, I'm gonna open it that way.
Oh, you're gonna open it so it's right side up this way, upside down for you.
92 colors.
Right? It's amazing, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, look at the confetti. I am in love already. I am in love with this. Oh my goodness. And I love the width of it. I'm going to be able to work on this on my lap desk.
Oh, good.
In the front room. Oh my gosh. Seriously.
I know. You're about halfway now.
Are you kidding me? Oh my heaven. Oh. You know, I read the dimensions.
But you didn't understand it until you...
I didn't
I know.
understand
until you touch it.
Until
see it.
Mindy, what were we thinking?
I don't know. We're thinking this is going to be fun.
This is going to be so much fun.
I know, right?
But
see, I told you it doesn't really fit on my... It could fit on my counter. We'll take this stuff off. Well, we don't need to now. We were going to do that beforehand.
Yeah, we were, but
we didn't do it. Anyhow.
2 pages of sticker sheets.
Yeah, right.
2 pages of sticker sheets. Wow.
And 4 packages
of drills. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
It's something.
This is, I have to say that this is about this much longer than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, you thought it was going to stop here?
Yep.
Like this part?
The image I had in my mind.
We could cut it if you want.
No, okay, you know, it's not good. Hey, that's one way we could work on it. We could cut it in half and we could each take half. No, that's no fun.
No, that's not
going to
happen.
No, that's not. You know, I've seen somebody do that.
I saw somebody cut off the top. They cut it in half this way.
Yes.
That's Santa. In the sky. They cut Santa off and left the dogs.
Yeah. Well, I saw somebody that had a real big one and they cut it in 4s.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
And then they thought they were going to work on it that way and then reconnect it when it was finished. I didn't ever see the finished result.
It would be cool if they were going to put it like in a window frame or something. That would... Unless they were going to
be cool,
right? Cut it into 4 pieces and put it.
Idea.
We're not doing that with this.
No,
but
no. Good luck finding. Oh my gosh! Can you imagine if we ever wanted to have this custom framed? How much that would cost?
No, I think you go to the hardware store or the Home Depot or wherever. Yep. Menards. We go to Menards.
We'll go to Menards. Yes.
And you just get some wood.
Yep.
And you just put some wood on here.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. So
but
there
it is gorgeous, and I
beautiful.
Love how much confetti there is.
Oh yeah.
That's the thing that I'm most excited about.
It's confetti crazy.
I love that. I mean, look at just in this tree right here.
I mean, you'll get a little bit of line blocking,
right,
as
like
we
up
call
in the
it,
sky,
and the houses and stuff like that.
But for the most part, very confetti.
Look at this, just this section.
Yeah,
here,
that's awesome. This reminds me a lot of my Josephine wall from Diamond Painting Deutschland.
And this has 2 ABs in it.
That's how
the
many
2 oranges. I think there's 8.
How many ABs are in this entire
8,
painting?
I believe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep.
Yeah,
8
so there's
ABs.
2 oranges and 2 pinks. So every place you see pink has both of them.
Okay.
And the places where you see the orange. Since you haven't seen the video yet.
No, I haven't seen the video
And the
yet.
oranges have both oranges.
Okay.
And then this tree, these trees over here. Okay, see now we got to flip it or something.
We got to do something.
I know, I've just been folding it. That's what I did with it. So then there's the 2 pink ABs are in here. The 2 orange ABs are in here.
cool. Do we have any green ABs?
No.
Purple. Oh, we got lavender ABs.
Yeah. The lavender were hard to find too. There's not a ton of them.
It looks like there's a lot in this bag. This bag looks like... Oh, wait, those aren't ABs. Those are just... Oh, yeah, they are. Yeah,
Are they? Are they? So it's this very, very light
Oh, okay.
tea.
Yep, okay.
Right there. So it's there.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a couple speckles. They were hard to find. I'll tell you that.
Wow.
Those were hard to find. There's a patch
There's
up in
quite
the...
a bit of orange.
Yeah, and there's 2 of them. And there's that much of each one.
Nice.
So they were in these flowers. There's a patch up in the sky somewhere. Oh, over here. It looks pink almost.
Oh, yes.
So that
Yes.
that's
This
that.
is going to be so
know,
much
right?
fun. So we've already talked a little bit, Mindy. So today we're going to kit up. And I
Yes.
think that...
Somebody's calling you.
I see that. I hear that. I apologize. I think that just because I think we should place the first drills, too.
Yes. Yes.
Just
work on it a little bit.
Work on it a little
Yes.
bit.
After we kit it up.
After we kit it up. So today we're going to work on kitting it up. And then...
So do you think these are birds? These are birds, aren't they? I go back
I can't
and
tell
forth.
them upside down.
I know, right? Come over here.
Okay, let me come over there.
Come over here. Are they birds? I was like, are they birds or are they flower leaves or something? I think they're birds, aren't they?
I think they're birds.
I think they're birds.
Yep.
And then these. Okay, I call them cardinals for a minute, but they're not those are chickens.
Those are chickens. Those are for sure chickens.
They are
And
chickens.
that's why we decided we're going to start
I know.
in
I
this
remember they're
corner.
chickens now. Yes.
Yep, we're going to start over here in this corner because we're going to start
Why are
with
they
our
in the
chickens.
Why are they in the trees or bushes or whatever? Well, because that's what chickens do.
Yeah.
My chickens were in my flower bed yesterday.
Yeah. That's what they do. They
That's
go
why.
wherever they want.
Exactly. Hope we get to do some. When do we get to do any ABs down here? Are we?
I don't
think so.
Yeah, some white ABs.
Oh, some white. I think that's all that's
That's it,
down there
though,
until
isn't
you get
it?
over here to the pink.
Yeah.
But we're gonna work on the same corner.
Yeah.
So maybe one of us starts over here and one of us starts over
on the
here or
next-
something.
Yeah, right.
And then what are we gonna do? Are we gonna sort of section it off? We're gonna put stuff on it. What are we gonna do? We're gonna put release papers, or we're gonna...
Yeah, let's do release papers, I think.
I mean, some,
So
not the whole
what
thing.
I usually do
Like,
when I'm working,
do a section.
Yeah, when I'm working, what I'll usually do is I'll do 2 rows.
Okay,
so
yeah.
I'll do this,
Yeah.
this row and this row.
Perfect.
And then that way, once you've finished this one and you're ready to move on to this row, you then move the ones from this row up to the
Yeah.
next row. So
Yeah.
you've got,
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
yeah, that's what I usually do.
There we go.
anyway.
Well, we got some work
We've
ahead of
got
us.
our work cut out for us, you guys.
So,
92
We'll show you.
colors.
We'll show you some mess in a little bit when we.
Yeah, once we get into it, we'll show you the mess.
We'll show you the
Woo!
mess.
I love kitting up. Kitting up's my favorite part.
It'll be fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's
well,
get busy.
Here we go.
All right.
Alrighty. Okay, we decided we're going to kit up in Craftmates Blockables. So I had one. Angie brought one. We're going to use these. So now we're like, okay, how do we do this? Okay, so
Because each Krafts lockable holds 56
right.
sections.
Yeah. So we're going to each start and like do a certain section.
Yeah.
And you said like we're going to cut these apart. And so we'll have to sort out our drills because
Well,
they're in order.
They're in order, but what I was thinking is we might want to take a look because some of our colors, okay, we've got 92 colors and 112 spaces.
We're only going to be able to do one package of each color.
But for some of them, we could do 2 because we have 112 spaces. We have 10 extra spaces. Or would it be easier just
I bet
to?
you we'll have. We'll have to see when we get into them.
Well, that's what, like, because if we could say, like, for example, there's 2 bags of 730.
And there's 2 bags of this one.
So if we could say,
But then there's 2 bags of. There's lots of multiple bags. I don't
right,
know
so how many? That's what I was thinking.
I don't
If
know
we
how
could
many
calculate
multiple
how many
bags we have.
multiple bags, we might have. We might not have to have.
You know what
extra.
that would require? That would require counting all these bags.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's see how many bags there
Yeah,
are.
that's fine. So we've got.
We'll
10
have room
extra-
for 112?
well, 56 and 56.
Okay, yep, 112. Okay.
And we've got 92 colors, so that's 92, 102, that's 20 extra, right?
I just have
What,
a
is
feeling.
our math wrong?
Okay, hang on. 92.
92 colors. We've got 56 and 56 and 112. So that's 20 extra.
92, yeah.
So
20 extra.
so let's just count. Okay, here's 1 extra we're taking up. 2, 3.
Four, 5, including those.
Okay. 1, 6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
11. We're up to 11.
Yeah.
And we've only done 2 bags.
12, 13. Nope, I'm sorry, just 12.
I'll give you 13 with that one.
Okay, 13. Because that'd be cool if we didn't have to have any extra bags laying
That's true.
around.
I don't think it's going to make it though.
No, I don't think so. But we
Yeah,
can,
a
a
lot,
girl
yeah.
can dream, a girl can dream. 14, 15, 16.
17, 18, 19,
All right, 20.
20.
All right, that's not going to work.
And we're not even to the 3rd bag.
But I think we should use up all the spots that we have, don't you? But that's going to require some planning. So should we just put 1 spot and have 20 extra?
That's what I would do.
Okay, we'll do that.
Yeah.
All
and
right.
just keep all the extras.
And just keep all the extras.
Or
extra.
maybe some of these, I wonder if some of these would fit 2.
2 in a, that's what I
in
was
a
thinking.
thing, because these are kind of large.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, we're going to test some of this and we'll get back with you. All right, so
It didn't
attempt
work.
number 1 failed.
Yeah,
You
it
cannot put 2 of those bags into one thing.
And I'm a trained professional.
Yeah.
And I've created quite a mess. I've got them, look at, I've got them stuck in
stuck
my
in the
springs,
thing.
stuck in my little holder.
All over the table.
All over the table.
I told her I'd go find a spoon, a little scoopy spoon. She said, no, I got this. I can do this. I'm like, okay.
I'm a trained professional.
There's probably a spoon right over there, too.
Now
Angie.
there's one. It's stuck in there. I can't even get it out. Oh, got it.
So that's not going to work. We can't
No.
put 2. But we're going to have 2 for 310 now, for
yes,
sure.
Now we at least have 2 for 310.
Yes, because this bag's open, so it's going in the next spot.
Yeah.
See, we knew this was going to be fun.
Yeah, we knew this was going to be a good time.
And we're currently sheltered in place, apparently.
Yeah, that's interesting. I don't know what it's
My
about.
daughter just texted and she says, shelter in place, these roads and these roads. And I'm like, oh, well, that's about a mile over there. Okay, I guess we're sheltering here. Don't go anywhere, Angie.
I'm stuck here. Yep. Dale's going to be thrilled. I know he was thrilled when he found out I was coming over.
Oh, he doesn't mind. He likes you.
He sounded excited.
All right,
There we
let's
go.
clean up this mess and move
move
on.
on.
Okay, it only took us about 10, 15 minutes to get to this point. We got them sorted out.
Yep.
I got the first half. She's got the second half.
Yep.
Mine are all in order. Yours are all in order. We're ready to roll.
Ready to rock and roll.
So, there we go. Let's see how long this takes us. Where we
Oh,
started.
yeah.
Well,
So let's say, we're just going to say 12:10.
okay, 12:10. Remember that, everybody, 12:10. It's done.
Yay.
Look how pretty. Look at, I like this area. These are pretty.
Yes.
I really like this row right here. This is my favorite row.
That's my favorite row too.
And then, of course, well, then there's this.
Then there's that.
All of that right
yeah.
there.
This is a pretty row.
It is,
So is this
right?
one. I mean, other than the 3371.
We know we have to have that.
Right. But then look at the green rows.
I know it. Green, 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 green. And then
Green,
green, green, green, green. I know there's a bunch of
green.
greens, right? I
Lots
had
of
all the
green.
greens.
Yes, Mindy did.
I was
have
in
all-
Greenland for a
Yes.
while. Greenland. All right, so we're gonna put
How
some
long
drills
did it
on it
take
next.
us?
It took us about an hour from the time we got the
Yep,
drills out,
start to
sorted them,
finish.
figured out how we were gonna do it.
About an hour. And that
And
was
then-
both of us working together. So
So that tells you it's a lot of drills.
yes, it's a lot of drills. And this is our leftovers.
Oh yeah, those are our
So
extras.
These are our extras.
2 bags of
2
extras.
bags of extras. And
Right.
these are pretty full.
They are.
to that too.
So we never would have been able to fit them in
No,
in these empty spaces.
not in a million years.
Never.
Nope.
Nope. So we're happy with this.
Yeah, so we're
Okay.
gonna put some drills on.
We are. And I'm going to tell you this. This is the end of my video. And Angie is going to record after this. And so you're going to have to go to Angie's channel after this and watch her video and see what we did after this. So fun.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Let's see what we can do here.